addition and subtraction involving measurements of length, mass, and capacity. Example: at 15 meters 62 centimeters and 7 meters 49 centimeters. Solution: Step 1. Add centimeters first. 62 meters plus 49 centimeters equals 111 centimeters. Write 11 under centimeters column and carry over 1 to the meters column. Step 2. Add meters now. 1 meter plus 15 meters plus 7 meters equals 23 centimeters. Write 23 under the meters column. Thus, 15 meters, 62 centimeters plus 7 meters, 49 centimeters equals 23 meters, 11 centimeters. Example: subtract 16 kilograms, 246 grams from 20 kilograms, 130 grams. Solution: thus, 20 kilograms, 130 grams minus 16 kilograms. 246 grams equals 3 kilograms, 884 grams. Example: add 27 liters, 950 milliliters and 10 liters, 65 milliliters. Solution: thus, 27 liters, 950 milliliters plus 10 liters, 65 milliliters equals 38 liters, 15 milliliters.